Okay, after I got the focus all down, of course the dang phone runs out of, what do you want to call it? Video or digits or whatever. Moving on. This is the nice fire engine I was on. And so yeah, this is going to be a two-parter, I guess. There we go. Next. Oh, look at this crazy looking. Why don't it focus in, you stupid thingy? I guess I got to tap it or something. There we go. Maybe it'll focus now. Alright, there it is. That hold it far enough away, kind of. I've never seen that before. Mitsu or whatever. Alright, another NASCAR car. I got a bunch of these NASCAR ones, brand new and wrapped around, you know. Real beautiful. Golden Grams. That's probably why I bought it, you know. Golden Grams, love it. Alright, this is another Galaga car. The video game. Beauty. Next. Oh yeah. I believe this is a Ford pickup. Super cab or whatever. Stretch cab. Nice. Next. Oh, this looks like a Fast and Furious car looking. Beauty. 2003. Beauty. Next. Oh, look at this thing. Ooh. Something racing. What does it say? Niagara Racing or something? It's got cool looking rims though. What year? See, this thing won't focus right. I don't know why. Stupid phone. Next. Look at this thing way down here. What's that? Oh, look at this jewel. Oh yeah, beauty. Next one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Dub. I believe that's what they call them. That's a Cadillac. Heck yeah, beauty. NHR, real cheapo car. Another pop-out deal. Really do need to make a box or bag of these cars that I really don't collect. You know what I mean? Alright, here we are. Squid, it looks like. Yep, Squid. Beauty. So, looks like 94. Next one. Oh, heck yeah. The old rigs. Heck yeah. I used to drive for a living. I drove everything but this. Everything I drove but this. I drove cement trucks, school bus, you name it, I drove it. And I worked in the railroad yards. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Yeah, baby. It's an oldie too. I'm going to try and search for the date. Alright, NASCAR. Beauty. Next one. Oh yeah, Mr. Good Wrench. Heck yeah, Mr. Good Wrench until you see the bill. It's a good wrench. That's the way I felt about it when I dealt with the company. When I saw the bill, I was like, I don't know about this Good Wrench crap. An oldie. Next one. Oh yeah, look at that. What the heck is that? Some kind of like karate type thing? So it looks like. Nice. Next. Oh heck yeah, look at that. Hot Wheels. Looks like graffiti. Hot Wheels. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Taxi. Yeah, that's what I used to do for the railroad. They call it a yard taxi and a yard-to-yard taxi. I drove from New York to Indiana, from Ohio to Kentucky. This is a cheapo car, I think. Alright, next. Oh, look at this beauty. Heck yeah. Tommy Hawk. Tony Hawk. I was wondering if there's something inside there. Oh, yeah, I like that. This, oh, yeah, it's that van that they used for Cheech and Chong, too. Hey, man, you got any? Eggs. Once again, like I said, I love the Mach 5. Heck yeah, love it. I guess this thing extends out. All right, moving on. All right, next. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that. Burger Zone. 57 Chevy. Oh, heck yeah, I love it. Wish I could own one of these in real life. One day, maybe. God willing. This car here, what I'm probably going to do with it, because as you can see it's roached, I'm going to probably take it and remove all the paint and tape it off so that paint don't get on the windows and all that, and repaint it like a project. I've seen guys where they restore these, so that's what I figured I'll do with that. All right, next. Lamborghini looking. That's what it looks like. Or the other car, what's it? Yeah, Lamborghini. I believe that's what it is. Easy with the scratches. Oh, look at that. What was that movie, Rambo or something? Where he drove a car? It wasn't the actual movie Rambo. It was a different movie where he drove a car similar to that, black. Oh, look at this thing. I don't know why I'm such a nut for Baja cars, but I am. And that's what this is. There's a good video called Baja. It's long as heck and kind of boring, but it's a good video. Another Baja car. Heck yeah. Tear up the sand dunes. Oh yeah, we got a power one. Next, oh yeah, look at that. Pickup truck. What does it say? State Fair. I don't know why this thing has such a problem. Alright, next. Moving on. Oh yeah, this thing, it's just a generic toy, but I think it's so flippin' cool, you know? Dude, I guess you pull this thing and it makes some noise or something. Oh yeah, this old thing. I don't know if that's a Dodge Dart or not, but that's what I'm thinking. Beauty. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. Next. Self-control. Self-control. Yeah, we all need to exercise that. People have anger issues. I have anger issues. I was watching a video about a guy who was in a store and he dropped a bottle of beer and the owner pulled a gun on him and was freaking out over a $1.25 beer, which is stupid. But it only reminds myself that I need to be more in control of my anger because it's so silly. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Another Baja vehicle. Oh yeah. Beauty. Quarter. Oh, what's this? MHC Bank. Feed the pig. Heck yeah, feed that pig. Thank you, Lord, that I have a pig. Alright. Oh, that's kind of cool, ain't it? Bah. Next. Look at that thing. What the heck? Bomb Squad? Is that what it's saying? Yeah, I think so. Heck yeah, the police. Yeah, brother. Next. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the grandkids will love that. Oh, the Tonka name. Ooh. It was what I wanted. Couldn't get one though. Hola, baby. Dora the Explorer, Diego. Heck yeah, that's slick, ain't it? Mitsu or whatever. What's the name of that company? I don't know, Matchbox. I think that's what it says. There we go. Next. Alright, there we are. Look at that. That one's nothing terribly exciting, but there it is. The police. For those of you that don't know, this is what you will hate if you get a speeding ticket on the highway. You'll be traveling along, and they'll clock you. And you'll think, oh, I don't see no cops. And then you'll see them up ahead, and they'll pull you over. They bust you with these things. I know it because I got one riding a motorcycle over 100 miles an hour. Got clocked, and it was all over. Okay, as I said, I love the Mach 5, and that's why I have this. I don't know who makes this one. And it won't focus up, so bye-bye! Alright, beauty. Look at that beauty. Big old police car. Next. Oh, yeah, Hot Wheels baby. Look at that. Quarter. And it's vintage, too. I can tell from the metal underneath my fingers. Fingers. Alright, here we are. Lowell's, the American flag looking. U.S. Army. Heck yeah, I love the military. Moving. Look at that. Woo. Ooh, old school. Moving on. There you are. Look at that. Let's see. The leader in diecast. Who the heck is these people? I don't know. I'm thinking racing champs or something. Yep, sure enough. I don't think you're the leader, dude, but okay, you say so. Some kind of military army. Beauty, though. Bah. Oh, yeah, we're getting there. Alright, this is D.O.G. Dog the Bounty Hunter? I don't know. Tonka, it says. Beauty, though. Okay, love Looney Tunes. But even though that ain't, that's, what is it? What the heck's his name? Oh, well, moving on. Alright, this is Looney Tunes. Porky Pig. Goofy is his name. Goofy, there you go. My mind ain't working good. Okay, I think a Lamborghini. Lambo. Moving on. Alright, getting to the nitty gritty here, folks. Porsche? What is that? Ford? Yeah, I think it's Ford. I think that's what it says. You know, it's out of focus. You know? Beauty. Another Mach 5. What the heck's wrong with this person buying so many Mach 5s? Moving on. Oh, look at that beauty right there. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, next. I got quite a couple of these. Look at this beautiful thing. Let's say something Tours. Jammin' Tours. Moving on. Like I said, I love Looney Tunes. Alrighty. Who knows what we'll find in these boxes? We'll find gold. Who knows? Oh, here's some gold right here. This looks like a Jeep. Looks like my car, kind of. Yep. Oh, Escape. Ford Escape. You know it looks like my car. Ford Escape. Moving on. Next car. Oh, John Deere. Some John Deere collector would want that for sure. Moving on. Okay, what do we have here? Looks like a Ferrari. Is that what I'm seeing? I don't know. I'd say so. I don't know. That's what it looks like, a Ferrari. Alright, next. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's vintage right there. Yep. Hot Wheels 93. Yep, old. Moving on. This thing. Look at that. She's a beauty. Engine's a little big, though. Alright, moving on. I'm not sure if he's played the music loud enough. Dum 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 dum. Alright. Mach 5. I got too many of these, I think. The motorcycle. Ooh, almost dropped it. Alright, moving on. Ooh. The sheriff. Moving on. Look at that beauty. Another, what do you want to call it? Another one. Golden Grams. I got a couple of those, I guess. Ooh, look at this one. Big pile, big pile. This is just a generic car. Nothing amazing. You sell a bunch of these generics. What the heck is this? Ooh, for the collector. Chuck E. Cheese, baby. Oh, this is definitely a Lamborghini. I saw one of these one day on the road in Cleveland, Ohio, on Brook Park Road. And Brook Park Road is known for go-go bars. And for those who know of the old school stuff, there was a place called Juicy Lucy's. And Pinky's. I don't know if Pinky's still there, but those are two of them. Tonka, yeah, baby. Definitely like Tonka. Wow, look at all this. I guess we can get right in here. Look at that thing. Wow, that thing's nice and it's heavy too. I can feel it in there. It's, I don't know whose name is there, but it's sweet. Moving on. I'm just going to toss them over from one side to the other here. Wow, what the heck? Is that like a concept car or something? Yeah, look, 88. Man, that thing's heavy too, Jack. I mean, heavy. This has got to be a freebie car from McDonald's or something. It's sweet nonetheless. Look at this thing. Convertible. Sweet. Okay, we got two cars inside of here. They're the old style. And that's why they're in there, so they don't get scratched up. Some concept looking car. Alright, look at that. Mustang looking. Oh, that might be Camaro-ish. No, the taillights say Mustang. Oh, we need a car hauler for all these cars. Oh, look at that sweet lifeguard car. Pamela Anderson's in there. Alright, next. Sweet looking car. Sweet looking car. Popcorn. What the heck is this one? SWAT. It's lightweight, but It's nice nonetheless. Alright, this one, heavy. Heavy. Hot Wheels, it says, and it says 85, I believe. Oldie. Wow. Oldie. The surfboard's on the back. Oh, look at this. Baby's right here. Ooh, vintage. Another vintage. Wish I was an Oscar Mayer wiener. Ding, 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 ding. Got milk. Sweet. Another oldie. Real old looking. I don't know. It looks old, but it probably ain't that old. Ah! Got my cheesy puffs! Alright, next. This is some kind of vintage car there. It's hard to show it in the plastic. Another vintage car. Tonka, yeah, buddy. It's got some issues with how Tonka is. Okay, look at this sweet little ride. And I mean literally little. Wonder who makes that, you know? Sweet though. Archie! This is, Happy Meal type toy. Matter of fact. Fast dry cleaning. Floor it. What is that? Ferrari? Might be. Yeah, that's what it looks like on right there on the hood, you know? You know, this damn thing won't focus. Look at that vintage thing. Some kid painted it with a marker or something. Next. Oh yeah, Red Ryder. Heck yeah. Okay, another. It's gotta be clean. It's gotta be tied. Oh, look at that. Beep beep. Looks like from that one movie. I don't know. What the heck? Kirby or something? Alright, moving on. Alright, we have a police car. Moving on. We have this one. I don't know who or what or what. What the heck? I don't know. I've never seen it before. Will it focus? Hot Wheels. I can't tell what else. Alright, moving on. Formula One. Yeah, baby. Love Formula One. All the stickers are missing. Alright, we're getting down to the nitty gritty. Popcorn. Got another one of them. And this thing. What the heck kind of car is this? This must be like some kind of Lamborghini looking thing too. Nope. Alright, we're getting to the nitty gritty. I think we already showed this one. And you gotta have I drove one of these. Oh my god, it was terrible. It was like a vintage one of these, and the turn radius was terrible, and it was terrible. Alright, beauty right there. Hatchbox. That's it, folks. That's the whole box. Bye-bye.